Hi everyone. Currently we are writing a book on Tinkercad and we were going through the sensors, so I thought there's a misconception about the gas sensor, that how it is used. So I decided to make this video about that gas sensor. So I am inserting a gas sensor in the working area in circuits of Tinkercad. So as you can see, there are pins A1, B1, H1, H2. So what are the working of these pins? One thing is clear, this A1 and A2 are connected. Why I'm saying this? Well, let's check it out. I'll use a multimeter. I connect these 2 points, A1 and A2, and I want to check the resistance. Start simulation. So as you can see, the resistance is 0, so these are connected. And in the same way, this B1 and B2 are connected. Clear? And there is some resistance between A2, B2, A1 or B1. Doesn't matter, you are selecting A1 or A2, those are the same things. So here is the resistance of 11 kilo ohm. Okay, we will remember this value. Now remove this. Now we will connect a battery source at H1 and H2, because these are the heating coils. Heating coils in a gas sensor heat the sensing material inside this. Sensing material, you can say that it's tin oxide. When we heat tin oxide and a gas interacts with it, then resistance of this tin oxide changes, and hence the value of resistance between A2 and B2 or A1 and B1 will change depending on what kind of gas is there and how much quantity is there. So now we will insert a power source. We set it to 5. Okay, now we will connect this one and this one. Okay, and we insert the meter here. You connect one point here and another point here. Oh sorry, this should be connected here. Okay, I have connected A1 with ground and B1 with positive terminal of meter, and similarly I have connected H1 and H2. So now I start the simulation. You can see the resistance. So if I bring this cloud near to the sensor, the resistance changes, as you can see. So this is the way we use gas sensor.